This is a special presentation of Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow. Any other use of materials, photos, and accounts without MP Promotions' consent is strictly prohibited.
Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here in Sablayan Astrodome, Occidental Mindoro, in partnership with San Miguel Beer.
Welcome mga kaboxing sa inyong paboritong bakbakan show, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Nadine Quirito Henson, nag-iimbita sa inyo na magsama-sama tayo sa isa na namang makasaysayang nasagupaan at salpukan. Nandito po tayo sa Sablayan Astrodome, Occidental Mindoro. Naku, magandang mga laban ang mapapanood po natin. Alam po ninyo, ang Blow by Blow, marami na pong napuntahan sa Narbacan, sa General Santos, sa Imus, sa Cantilan. At huwag niyong kalilimutan mag-follow at like sa ating mga social media platforms, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa YouTube. And that would be Blow by Blow MP. Ang ating mga patakaran, no 3 knockdown rule in effect. Only the referee can stop the fight and a fighter cannot be saved by the bell in any round.
Nararamdaman ko po ngayon na-excite, kinakabahan, halo-halong emosyon. Hindi ko po maipaliwanag. Nagdadasal ko po na sana wala pong mangyaring masama.
Excited na parang medyo kabado konti, gano'n, pero nandun naman yung excitement.
Mga kaboxing natin, mga kasama natin, mga kaibigan natin sa Sablayan Occidental Mindoro, nandito po sila. Umuusok po ang mga laban maya-maya. Mapapanood po natin. At ang unang-unang laban natin, naku, 4-rounder po ito. And this is in the super flyweight division or junior bantamweight division. Lastimosa, hindi po siya yung coach ng PBA. Kapangalan lang, Jojo Lastimosa. At ang kalaban niya si Dave Debosion. Mga pagito po ito Both of them are making their professional debuts. Pareho po silang kaliwete. At may konting reach advantage si Debosyon. At ganun din yung height advantage niya. Mas bata po si Debosyon kaysa kay Jojo Lastimosa. Okay, tuloy na po tayo sa ating ring announcer Bobby Mondehar for the official introductions of this fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Jojo Lastimosa. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Dave Devotion. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here in Sablayan Occidental Mindoro, Astrodome. In partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Mayor Walter Bong Marquez. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera. GAB Commissioners, Attorney Manuel Plaza III and Angel Bautista. The Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Manaog. Ringside Physicians, Dr. Miguel Victorino and Dr. Chini May Tadeo. Timekeeper, Kim Dangan. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 114 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of Glenford Fitness Boxing Gym, Taguig City. Ladies and gentlemen, Jojo Lastimosa. Lastimosa. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 114 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City. Ladies and gentlemen, Dave Devotion. Devotion. Judges at ringside, Gerald Tomeldan, Salvador Lopez, and Don Arguelles. Third man in the ring, referee Oliver Garcia. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Boss, sir. Okay, Jojo, Dave, this is your first professional fight, ha? Makinig lang lagi sa command ko. Pag sinabi yung stop, stop, break, break, and then do any foul. Okay, good luck. Taas ang glove. Back. Doon. Box.
Ito na po, isa na tayo. Round number 1. In the super flyweight division, Lastimosa kontra Devotion. Si Lastimosa po is the boy with the black trunks with the white stripes down the side. At si Devotion naman po is the boy with the yellow waistband sa kanyang very colorful trunks. Napagit po natin kanina, pareho po silang kaliwete. First professional fight. Scheduled for 4, kanya palagay ko, puspusa ka ganito. Fighters are sizing each other up. Combination coming from Lastimosa. Devotion. Looking to pump that right jab. At si Lastimosa naman, naghahanap ng opening. Devotion is circling his opponent. Now using some lateral movement. Wala pa masyadong nakakatamaan dito. Left hand coming from Devotion. Tinamaan po ni Devotion si Lastimosa. Lastimosa coming strike back. Paggalawin to si Devotion. Moving around his opponent. Looking for the angle. Right hand coming from Lastimosa. Umatake si Devotion. Tinamaan ni Lastimosa sa pangayon. Lastimosa squared up. Shooting that right jab. And pagsak po si Devotion. At referee Oliver Garcia giving him the count. Biglang bumagsak ito si Devotion.
7, 8.
He's trying to catch his breath. At sabi ni referee Oliver Garcia, tuloy ang laban. Ito si Lastimosa looking for the knockout kill. Bumagsak na naman si Devotion. That's a second knockdown. And he knows that he's hurt. He's pounding his glove on the canvas.
6,
Tumayo siya.
7.
But dalawang bagsak na yan for Dave Devotion. At sabi ni Oliver Garcia, kaya pa, kaya pa. Mukha naman hindi glassy-eyed si Devotion, pero ito si Lastimosa. Throwing everything he's got. Na-corner niya si Devotion. Lastimosa throwing left and right. That's another shot to the body. Pangatlong knockdown na yan, and Devotion has been ruled unfit to continue by referee Oliver Garcia. Katapos po ito, first round, Dave Devotion, di niya na kaya. Ay yung mga suntok galing kay Jojo Lastimosa. First professional fight, first professional victory, first professional knockout from Jojo Lastimosa. Ayan po si Dave Devotion. Nakangiti naman siya. Took a lot of shots to the body. At yan na napapagsak sa kanya. 3 beses po bumagsak si Devotion. Watch yung mga punches dito ni Lastimosa. Nung tinamaan si Lastimosa ni Devotion. But here's Lastimosa. That shot to the body. And that's a delayed reaction. Bumagsak si Devotion. Punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Yung body attack ni Jojo Lastimosa. And that did it. Good power coming from Lastimosa, and also good discovery of the angles. Ito po ang official time galing kay ring announcer Bobby Mondejar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 2 minutes and 28 seconds of round number 1 as referee Garcia stops the fight. Winner by technical knockout, Jojo Lastimosa.
Lastimosa po ang nanalo by technical knockout in the first round. Official time is 2:28. 3 knockdowns scored by Lastimosa before referee Oliver Garcia waved it off. A bright future ahead for Jojo Lastimosa. Hindi lang pang basketball ang Jojo Lastimosa. Pang-boxing din. Hinalikan pa ng kanyang ama, yung kanyang trainer, Felixberto Lastimosa. Eto na ang ating replay of the highlights of the previous fights. Lastimosa kontra Devotion. Yun, maganda yung patamasanan ng Devotion. Tapos a nice combination, left and right. Pero yun, yung left hand, nasa the body, yun ang unang-unang napapagsak kay Devotion. That is the second knockdown. Magkakaroon pa ng pangatlong knockdown dito. Another shot to the body, this time with the right hand. Ang magandang power with both fists. Si Jojo Lastimosa, and he scores a technical knockout in the first round over Dave Devotion.
Ang nararamdaman ko po ngayon ay nai-excite, kinakabahan, halo-halong emosyon. Hindi ko po maipaliwanag. Basta pinagdadasal ko po na sana wala pong mangyaring masama. At matapos po namin yung round na walang nananockout. Magdasal, tapos syempre ingat-ingat din kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras kumpiyansa tayo. Kailangan natin dumibensa para sa suntong kalaban para makatulong din sa pamilya ko. Kasi bata pa lang ako pangarap ko na po talaga maging professional boxer. So, salamat po pala sa coach kong pinaka-pogi, si Coach Jun Sales, si Coach Larry, pati si Coach Jay at si Coach Lito. Maraming salamat po sa kanila kasi sila po yung unang tumulong sa akin ng mga panahon hindi pa po ako marunong mag-boxing.
Introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Jojo Lastimosa.
Excited na parang medyo kabado konti ganon, pero nandun naman yung excitement. Napaka-importante nun, lalo na sa sa safety, yung talaga yung kasi sa boxing dapat protektahan mo yung sarili mo bago ka manuntok bigla Putos-puntos tsaka importante talaga yung yung condition yung paa. Una talaga yung makakuha ng belt. Tapos pag nandun ka na sa posisyon na yan, andun na yung hangat na yung buhay mo shoutout sa taga Osamis diyan, sa mga followers na ako diya. Laban.
Winner by technical knockout, Jojo Lastimosa.